So we're going to be going down the 4 waterfalls in near Brecon. So some good drops and jumps and stuff like that. Yeah, should be fun. Got Jacob. Cool, let's get into it. You ready? Quick time. Woo!
How was it, nice and cold?
It's crisp.
Is it freezing?
Oh wow. No, it's lovely warm. Lovely warm.
Right.
Oh, yeah, it's fucking nice and bracing.
Nice shower. Have you had a shower this morning?
I haven't yet.
Here we go. Perfect. Perfect.
I'm gonna go just get my head.
Nice. Stairs are there. Is that the fire escape?
Can't see any stairs.
How's that? Yeah. You can't even look up.
There you go. Go for it. Up to that ledge. You ready?
Nice. Woohoo. I'm recording, so that's all going on.
Thank you.
It could be. It seems amazing to me to think that if that's true, that a valley like this could be formed out by such a small river. But I don't know. Yeah, I suppose with the erosion stuff at the bottom of the cliffs. I have no idea.
Right.
Yeah.
What a drop.
Yeah, it's a big drop, isn't it?
Ready down, jump. Especially explaining to Carl why you're having to be earlier.
Ah, it's complicated.
And then he asked, but if someone asks you to jump off a cliff,
Would you do it? Oh, yeah. The fellas did, yeah. All right, mate. Here we go. Oh, mate. So what here, sort of down there?
yeah,
There.
yeah.
Ah! Yeah. That was brutal, mate. Oh. a handshake, sorry.
Yeah.
You talking about jumping off that?
We'll have a look.
Cool steering?
Yeah, let's do it, mate.
Or even you can go like that if you want.
Man, I'm going to be a front flip.
That'll break your fall a bit.
Yeah, I'll just go in like that.
Yeah. Okay, ready? Recording?
Yeah, big time.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Stand up!
Alright, mate. Here we go.
How good was that?
That was amazing, mate.
It's really deep, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty deep.
It doesn't look as deep from up there, but it is. There.
Go first.
I think you're keen for it, mate.
You want to go first?
No, I think you're keen for it.
Am I recording?
You are. So am I. So they double drop.
Yeah.
Right then. 3, 2, 1. Good. Yeah, it is a little bit. That was good.
That was pretty good.
I said that one's more nerve-wracking because you've got to clear the all the stuff
without
below.
doubt. I know. You know
I was at the top thinking, oh shit, trying to think about like, how to like get the correct purchase.
the pressure as well from having all those people behind you.